Okay, so today we're putting new headlight bulbs in this truck. It's a Dodge Ram. What year Dodge Ram?
2012.
2012 Dodge Ram.
2500 outdoor.
Right, it is the 2500. First thing I've done is this plastic piece right here I've removed from up on top of the radiator. These headlights the grill overlaps the headlights. You need all the access you can get, so the grill has to come off. In order for the grill to come off, you have to take that piece off. I'm going to back it up here and I'm going to start pulling the grill. There's a couple 10 mils up top. I'll start there and update you with anything else that I'm doing.
This one should go out of break.
Okay, then we just got to look for whatever bolts. There's one up here. I'm sure there's something hiding in the back. Actually, it might just be the pop clips. There's one going down right here, and there's one going in at the top. Take those out and see what we get from that. Oh yeah, that's just going to be pop clips. So now that I've got those there out, you can grab right here and just kind of give it a wiggle, and it should pop. It might take a little extra force. Sometimes you can get like a pry bar with some rubber or a rag or something so you don't hurt the paint too much.
Car chaser.
There it goes. Okay, so it is just a little pop clip. So on the back of here, there's two circles. This is the one that we're getting. That just a little quarter turn unscrew and it comes off.
It has that fuse. It's not factory either.
It's like it's got LEDs in it. This one, the ones with the extra harness, so there's a lot of wires and stuff just jammed in here. So that'll be fun to remove. Okay, so this is the bulb that came out of it, and the problem that we had with it was actually it would light up, but it just lit up really, really dim. So nothing feels extra wobbly or anything on it, but in my experience, that's how most of these LED headlight bulbs actually fail. So now I guess we'll get the new one, put it in there. Okay, the bulbs that we were using today are Sylvania brand LED. They come in a much more compact package. I think the first thing we're going to do is just plug it in and see how bright they are.
It should be really bright.
It should, so I'm going to stare right at it so I know when it happens. Oh, yep, that is way brighter. We're in the middle of the day and that hurt my eyes, so I imagine that will be an immediate improvement. You just gotta line up that little, basically it's a post with a little ball on it. I probably should have showed it to the camera. I'll do it. We're going to replace the other side too. It's not out yet, but
It's getting there.
if one went out, the other it's going to. Do that, it'll pop into place with just some firm pressure, like that, and we'll put our bolts in.
I'm not getting another 1500. I'll be able to see the road.
Okay, that headlight's back in, and let's do the other side. So same thing, got the bolt here that goes straight down, the bolt here that goes straight in.
That one could be a pain too.
Yeah, honestly it's not. It's being, I would almost say, suspiciously cooperative. Okay, that pops out there. And then, oh, I got it. Like I said, I know I didn't really show it on the other side. We have some odd light coming in here. But, yeah, right here. It's kind of blurry too. But it's just a stem, it's got a ball on the end. I'm going to hold that headlight. We're going to come over here. And goes into that spot right there. So, I have to apologize for leaving out information, but I left it out, not on purpose. I left it out because both of them are broken on this vehicle. And that's fine, it'll work just fine without it. So basically, this little clip up right here So it's big there and small here. That's supposed to hook to a tab thing right here that's just gone. The other side was missing even this part here. So there's a little access door inside of the wheel well that would let you actually get to that. And that makes sense because we've been wondering why those access panels were there if they couldn't reach the headlight. And now we know.
So what are they supposed to be there for?
This little, well, I guess we're kind of, there we go. Right here, that opens, then you can get to that clip. And same as the other, quarter turn. Get this giant contraption of an LED bulb out of here. That whole thing's coming out.
LEDs are better, huh?
This is the difference. This is the old one, lots of extra stuff. New one, just goes in, plugs in. Got it plugged in, locked in there, which is probably about a quarter of a turn, and it's covered as the same. And put these bolts back in.
Unless they find something.
Headlights are bolted back in. Now we got the grill.
This is not the OEM one either.
And you can have tabs on the bottom.
Third gen, I think.
Worth mentioning too, there's 4 bolts that go along the top of this. 2 of them go into metal and they're fine thread. 2 of them over here go into plastic. I believe they refer to it as the header panel. And those ones are a real coarse thread. But they're all 10mm heads. As far as alignment goes, I'm just using the dirt that was still here so I can see where the bolt used to be. Because there is a little bit of adjustment for it. Looked fine before I started, so I'm going with it. And then the only remaining thing is this part. All the clips are still in it. They're just the Christmas tree style. So you just line them up and push them in. Alrighty, go ahead and turn both of those on. Well, it's pretty bright out here. You can tell that that's on. I can tell because it's in person, but on my little screen on my camera, it kind of just... Well, they work. You'll just have to take my word for it. You can tell that they're on a little bit. They're pretty bright. But there it is. New working headlights in there. So, as usual, thanks for watching the Grant Garage, and I'll be back with another video soon.